Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here today. Wanted to show off a little bit of some of the brand new dry blasting equipment that we have coming out, new for 2024. We are in our brand new 8,000 square foot showroom. We're gonna be showing off all of our different processes from dry blasting to wet blasting, automatic turntable style parts washing, high pressured parts washing, all of this fabulous surface finishing, surface cleaning, surface preparation equipment that we have available for you today. One of the machines we have behind us here today is the 900 front load cabinet, very popular in our wet blasting machine. This is a space-saving design, easy access. We've now made and built this machine into a dry blasting beast. Right now it's set up as a suction machine. We do have reclamation system and dust collector attached to it. These machines are going to be available on the website for sale, or you can call into the sales department and spec out the machine that you need today. I will tell you, these are heavy gauge, fully welded cabinets, and they are not gonna be cheap. These things are built to last. They are very high quality machines. A couple things I wanna talk about when you talk about high quality industrial dry blasting cabinets. First off, visibility. Visibility comes from two things: good dust collection, which is good CFM airflow through the cabinet to remove that dust for better visibility, and of course, good lighting. Huge in the industry. We have LED lighting in these cabinets just like our wet blasting machines. Very good, high quality lighting in the machines. For those of you that are using our wet blasting cabinets, you know the lighting is the best. This is also in our dry cabinets. So dust collection and lighting for visibility, huge. Also, easy component change out. For example, windows. These windows are the easiest and quickest to change out. They have bracket systems now. You would completely unbolt the top bracket, loosen the lower bracket. You'll be able to swap this window out in a minute or less. One of the biggest painful items on a wet cabinet with the locking seal that we use, it's always harder for you guys to change those windows. However, we have to use that from a leaking perspective. We've tried these in the past on wet, and they leak too much. But again, component change out, component lifespan. Gloves are easy to change out for the most part. You're gonna have your dust collection hoses, your reclaimer hoses. You'll be able to replace parts on the reclaimer if it wears out. Of course, dust collector filter cartridges. Those things are all easy to change out. We do have all these replacement parts in stock. They do ship within 24 hours to keep you up and running. We hope that you can find a machine that's gonna fit your application and of course your budget. Again, we have these different ways to spec the cabinets out on the corporate site. They will be dropping soon on the e-commerce site as well that you guys can look at and price, and of course call into the sales department for more information. We're really excited to show off the differences between pressure versus suction, cabinets with just dust collectors versus cabinets with reclaimers and dust collectors. Really super pumped about showing all this content off for you and trying to help you make a better educated decision as you move forward with your next blasting equipment purchase. As always, if you have comments, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear about those comments. We'd love to give you some answers on those. And as always, thanks for watching.